All right, everybody. So forgive the room, but because I got blankets on the floor from when I came and took a nap with Garrett yesterday. So I've got batteries. I'm getting ready to present him with the remote control for the first time. So here's Garrett, and then here's the car. And there's the remote. Okay, hold on. Okay, try it now. Use two hands. Try the other way. Oh, you almost ran Mommy over. Hold on. There you go. Look at you doing it. Very cool. Whoa. Can you say thanks? There's the car. Very cool. Oh, somebody's very happy. Thank you guys so much. All right. And, all right, hold on. Stop for a second, please. Look over here. Can you please give them a great big kiss? No, use your... Oh, he's like, forget you, Mom. See, this is why we don't use the iPad. Mommy's going to have to invest in a lot of batteries. I feel this. Thank you so much. You guys are awesome. We'll be back.